Hi, Storm.
Hi.
So today I'm going to teach you how to play the trombone. So first, you're going to take the case.
Okay. The case.
And you can put it on your lap.
Case thing? Oh boy.
And you want to open it up, but you want to open it with the Yamaha side up. Nope, not that side. There you go.
Ah. Am I doing it right?
Yeah. Okay. So we have different parts of the trombone here.
Okay.
So I'll start out with this side. This is the bell side.
Okay.
So here you have the bell, and here's the lock where you're going to lock your slide to your bell.
Okay.
And here's your slide. And on the slide you have where the mouthpiece goes. You have your water key. And in here you have your mouthpiece. So you can put it all down because you're first going to use your mouthpiece. Because we're going to have to talk about a couple things like embouchure.
Okay.
Yes. So this is your mouthpiece. So I'm gonna tell you right now, when you play the trombone, you want the trombone mouthpiece goes on your lips with 2/3 upper half and 1/3 lower half.
Which side is the mouthpiece?
The big side is the mouthpiece.
So.
Okay. Other way. Keep it on the middle. And first here, take it away for a second. So you're almost gonna go do. So go do.
Ooh.
And you want to then keep the corners of your mouth firm, but keep the center loose. So, tight corners, loose middle.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay, so put it on. And now I want you to buzz. So you can put it on really strong. And buzz really loud for me. Just. There you go. Louder. Come on, Storm. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to put together the trombone. So I want you to pick up the bell side.
Okay. So put this in here.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's the bell side.
The bell side.
Yes. Okay. So let me see.
Okay.
So first, we're going to have to put it together so that you can move your trombone the right way. So you're going to take your bell, put your left hand right here. Okay. And then we're going to take your slide, and we are going to put this together. Yep. So you see that those two go together, and then you want this to be at an angle, so it's almost touching the bell, but you don't want it to quite touch the bell. So almost touching, and then you screw it together. Right there.
I did it. Almost. There it is.
There you go.
Yeah, I did it.
There you go. Yep.
That's how you slide
And that's
it.
your slide. Yep.
Oh boy.
So you can just slide it all the way out. Just don't slide it too far because you have longer arms than I do. So you can actually make it to 7th position where I can't. Yeah, you could probably even slide it off. Don't try it. Oh, well, you did.
That's how I slide it off. I did
so
it.
that's something you don't want to do. Yeah, there's grease on it.
That's kind of gross.
So be careful because that's what keeps it to slide. Also, maintaining your instrument. Sometimes you'll run out of grease and it'll be hard to slide. So you'll just take, I think there's slide grease in here. Yeah, there is. Slide grease right here. So you'll need that. It's actually called trombone cream. That's cute.
Ah.
Okay, so now you're going to take your mouthpiece, and can you guess where this is going to go?
This is going to go there.
Yeah, so I'm going to put your mouthpiece in there. Just
Screw.
turn it a little bit. It's not really a screw, you just turn it a little bit. Don't push too hard. It's really not a screw. You just push. Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's in. So now we're going to learn 3 notes. So your first note that you're going to play is going to be the B flat. Because your trombone... No. You're going to play C. First C. No, you are going to play B.
Okay.
I'm going to have you play B first. So B flat is first position. And now first position on a trombone is with the slide all the way in. So you're in first position.
Yay.
So if you take it up, you're going to put it up to your mouth. Remember to keep the tight corners, loose center, and blow. Loud. Lots of air. Faster. Okay, here. Try to have your mouth go like do.
Do.
And think do and then D, but keep
D.
your Yeah, keep it loose here.
Mhm.
And then when you put it on here, I want you to put it on tight and hard. So you're going to have it close to your mouth. No air is going to go through the outside. You want it all to go through the mouthpiece. Try blowing. Like, you actually blow. Okay, so, how do I correct this? I want you to, yeah, okay. So take it, when you put it to your mouth, I want to make sure that all of your lip is covered. Don't even do 1/3 and 2/3. Whole lip is covered, and then make sure it's tight on there, and just blow air, like, okay. Harder. Are you saying? Are you? Wait, stop, Storm. Are you just saying do, or are you blowing out?
I didn't know I was supposed to say do.
You're not. That's why I'm making sure you're not. So you want to go like you're almost. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Okay, now we're talking. So it should be. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so now you have your B flat. So now we're going to move to C. So C for you is in 6th position.
Okay.
So 6th position, remember to keep it up. You always want to keep it up. 6th position is out, almost, not all the way, just before all the way. So you have really long arms, so you can actually do this. So put your slide out. Okay. A little bit less. That should be 6th position. So that should resound C. Make a little bit higher. Yes. So that's your C, pretty much. So I want you to go. So I'm going to have you do a little bit of a callback. So you're going to go do, do, do. And then. Yes. Do, do, do. Out a little bit more. Do. Think. You can do it. Okay, that's pretty close. It takes a little bit of time to really learn the trombone. Okay, so now we're going to learn one more note. You're going to learn D.
Okay.
Okay. So where was C? Show me B flat, actually. Now show me C. Yes, okay, see, you got it that time. So now you're going to do it with this is in line with your bell. Yep. It's hard. Here, try going up. So start out with your B flat. Yes, perfect. And then now C. Yes, now D. Think higher. We can get this.
Okay.
Try it. Pull this back a little bit more. So like you're there. Oh, that was it. Yes. Okay. So that's gonna be a third. That's why you're not gonna. Why don't you do B flat, C, then D? So ready? Yes. Perfect B flat. Yes. No. You're going into 3rd position. 3rd position is with this in line with the bell, but you want the end of your slide in line with the bell. Yeah, and then C. Yes. Think high. And tighten the corners. Keep the center. Yes, that was it. Okay, so I want you to try one time. You're gonna repeat back. Can you hit that D again? And now C. Do. And now all the way back. Okay. So you've learned D, C, and B flat. So basically, things to keep in mind. The trombone's kind of gross because like you have a water key. So this you just open up like this, put the mouthpiece to your mouth, and blow. Okay, so you're lucky that there's like no spit in here, but usually when you've been playing for a while, you're gonna get a lot of spit coming out. Also, your lips are gonna get really tingly and it's gonna feel really weird.
It feels great, actually.
Okay, well I'm glad you like it. For me it was tough. But so basically just things to remember, your slide will need to get greased every once in a while. Sometimes you'll have to take things apart and grease them, but mostly your teacher will do that. One thing you can see is there is a slide lock here, and that's to when it's all together, you can just put this over it, and this isn't, well, this is kind of broken, but usually it won't slide out, which is nice. If you are like holding it down, it won't just like pop off. So now you just need to take it apart, and yeah, that's pretty much the trombone.
Yay.
Thanks, Torm.
No problem.